We will wait for 5 minutes more for people to join. A very good evening, everyone. On behalf of Brighthawk Infotech Solutions, I, Khadija, warmly welcome all our respected faculty members, students, professionals, and participants joining us today for this special free live masterclass on AI and AI tools. We are truly delighted to see such an overwhelming response from participants across India and internationally. Your presence here shows one thing clearly: you're ready to grow with the future. Today's masterclass is designed to give you a clear understanding of what artificial intelligence truly is. It exposure to powerful AI tools that can transform your academic and professional work, insights into how AI is shaping careers, and why learning it now is no longer optional. So at Bright Talk, we believe in empowering education digitally and globally. Through our FDPs, conferences, and skill based programs, we continuously strive to bring practical, industry relevant knowledge to our learners. And today's session is going to be exactly that: practical, insightful, and future focused. We are extremely honored to have with us our esteemed speaker, Dr. Abdul Mateen Sir, whose expertise and guidance will help us understand AI not just as a concept but as a powerful skill for the modern world. So, we are grateful for your valuable time and for joining us to guide our participants today. Participants, I request you all to keep your microphones muted. Stay engaged throughout the session. Note down your questions. We will try to address them towards the end. Also, I would like to make a small announcement. At the end of today's masterclass, we will be sharing details about an exclusive 3-month detailed internship program in AI and prompt engineering, specially designed for students and professionals who wish to gain structured hands on training and industry exposure. So, I strongly encourage all of you to stay till the end of the session for this important announcement. Now, without taking much time, I invite our respected speaker, Dr. Abdul Mateen sir, to take over the session and enlighten us with his knowledge and experience. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. I would like to welcome you all, guys, on this masterclass on AI and AI tools, which will be a game changer for you after today. So, I hope you all are ready. Please type yes or no. Type yes or no if you all are ready to dive into the masterclass. Give me your response to the message. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Very nice, very nice. Perfect, perfect. Perfect. Ready, ready, ready. Yes. Perfect. Uh, Give me a confirmation that are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Confirm me that are you all able to see the screen? Yes. 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 Wonderful. Wonderful. Great, 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 great. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, one and all. Once again, I would like to welcome you all on this wonderful day where you all are enthusiastic to learn about AI and AI tools, which is on the go everywhere, every place you are all able to or hearing about these AI. So let's today dive in and unbreak the things what is AI and what is AI tools. So AI is the new electricity. Are you ready to embrace it? Type yes or no. Are you ready to embrace it? Or type yes or no. Great, great, wonderful, very nice, very nice. Yep, 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 yep. A disclaimer before we start: all the participants be active and be responsive, so that we can have a two-way communication, even not with mic, at least with the chat. So whenever the questions are being asked and the questions are being posed over there, so you can respond through the chat or other platform which I'll be showing you in few minutes. So we will be having an interaction so that we can know each other to get it more gaining of this session what we are into. So in today's session, we are going to see what is AI and Gen AI and about prompt engineering and different frameworks. And then moreover, I would like to show you something where you will be able to build your own customized chatbot. This is something very important. We all know that chatbots are there, but those chatbots are globally available for a global data. But how to make your own chatbot, that you have to learn so that you can customize your own chatbot and you can interact with your own data. So introduction to AI agents, and let's dive into the practical with AI tools, where I'm going to show you how practically we can use it and productively we can improve our work in our daily workflows. And then ethics of using AI tools also we are going to cover up today. So this is just the beginning. Let's keep in touch. This is my QR code on LinkedIn as well as on WhatsApp. So you can reach it out to me any one of the platform, whether on WhatsApp, on LinkedIn. If you want, you can just scan and keep it with you as a contact. So just I'm giving you a few seconds to scan it. If you want, you can get it my contact and connect with me for more collaborations and for more productive sessions which will be coming up in future. So basically, what do you understand with this picture? Text in the message chat message box. What do you understand with this picture? Yes, dear participants. Design, shapes, patterns. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Great, very nice. Design, shapes. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Shapes, patterns. Wonderful. Unstructured data. Wonderful. Design, solve the AI. Okay. Shapes. Wonderful answers. Yeah. So basically, we have multiple answers on different things, which is like on combination. We can say it's all about combination of many different shapes, and then we can say that it's a combination of many different patterns, and it's overall. If you talk about this image, we call it as a patterned image. This patterned image has combined shapes and combined many different things which are combined in one platform. That is what we call it as a pattern. Then let's go with this one. How many years did each take to get 50 million users? First, airlines. Give me the answers for the airlines. How many years airlines took to get 50 million users? Yes. No answers? How many years? Just guess. Just guess. How many years did it take to achieve the number 50 million users for the airlines? 2 years. Wonderful. Okay. Taqi has given 8 to 10 years. 20 years, okay. Something fine. Oh, that's nice. Okay, okay, let's go to the next one. Internet. I hope we all know and we are all familiar with the internet. How many years it took to achieve the number 50 million users on the internet to have these number? 2 to 3 years, okay. 2 to 3 years. Wonderful. Still more answers. I'm expecting more responses. I'm expecting more responses. 5 years, okay. Few months, 10 years, perfect. More answers, more answers. People, participations, all the participants, I request you all to get engaged with the session. Don't just be joining and keeping the device somewhere and don't be somewhere else. Be within the session. Yes, 25 years. There are answers coming in. Wonderful. Wonderful. Great. Good. Very nice. And next, we'll go with the next one that is Facebook. So I hope we all know Facebook from when we started using the Facebook. So just give me the answer that how many years did this one, Facebook, took to achieve the number by 50 million users? Yes. Yes. Start giving me the answers. Wonderful. 1 year, 15 years. Still, 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 I'm expecting some answers. 12 years, okay. 5 years. That's wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. That's great. That's great. Okay. Perfect, perfect, wonderful. Okay, now let's go to the next one. That is the Gen AI, generative AI, which we all are an a hike of it. How many years did each this generative AI took to achieve 50 million users? Yes. So I'm going to show you all these answers now so that you will be coming up with the exact answers where you will be seeing what exactly is happening with the AI and how booming it you will be seeing about that. So yes. So now you are getting the answers for the four major things which you all know about the where in the industry and in the world which are on the top. So first thing which is on the airlines, it took 68 years to achieve the a huge number, that is 68 years it took to get into the 50 million users. So you can evaluate yourself where you are standing very close or very far for these airlines. And the next one is the internet took 7 years of time period to achieve the 50 million users, so that took 7 years. The next one which is on the spotlight, that is the Facebook application, which took 3 years of time to achieve the 50 million users. That's something, a social media revolution came in when the Facebook came into the market. There were many other social media applications, but Facebook has achieved a huge attraction towards everyone, not only one age group, but all the people started using that took 3 years to achieve 50 million users. I hope you all have seen the advertisements also on the Facebook. And the next foremost important thing what we are into today, that is gen AI, that is generative AI. This generative AI took only 5 weeks of time. This 5 weeks of time is a very crucial and very less time which had changed everything when the generative AI applications came into the market and came in front of us in the form of generative AI, that is Chat GPT, Gemini, Cloud, Copilot, and a lot more applications which came in, right? So this wasn't had past an year or months or something like that, but it only took 5 weeks. Only 5 weeks it took to achieve the 50 million users. Just within the 5 weeks, people overwhelmed to use the generative AI, the applications, that is generative AI applications, which is Chat GPT, and then we have many other applications came into the market. That's all together came in only few weeks of time. So this is how this few weeks of time was been changing all over the things, and then people have started embracing it and then started using it. That's how the tremendous change and rapid change happened in the world when the generative AI came into our lives. These are the things which you can evaluate yourself, how far correct you are and how far you are wrong through the answers what you have given it. Now let's move. What is AI? Basically, when we are talking about AI, as I have shown you this image when we started the session, AI is basically all mixing of the patterns, a super pattern predictor, that is AI, and data which helps to identify and recognize the patterns with the decisions which we get it, and we will be able to find out the decisions through the AI applications like the chatbots and like image generations, video generations, and all. And overall, we can understand that it's not a magic, but it's all about mathematics and data. It's all about mathematics, data, algorithm, and whatever the data has been given to the AI applications. If we turn off the data sets, or if we remove the data set, plug out of the data set, then AI is nothing. That is what exactly the game of AI, which works with the data. So when you train it, when you give the data, AI will help to predict with the help of the patterns through the huge amount of data. That's all concerned with the AI, which are concerned with the concepts which are holding back AI, that is machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing. And now the another term which have evolved it when we got the AI, generative AI, that is called as LLM. So the LLM is the concept which has been evolved with these concepts and a background which were being trained through the data, huge amount of data, not something like GBs or TBs, but trillions of parameters were being used to train the AI applications. That is what we are knowing about AI to get it gets the image generations with Nano Banana, or image generations through Microsoft Designer, through Canva, email generations, or whatever the things what we wanted, or whatever you want to get a help through your workflow will be helpful to get it done very quickly in seconds. That's all about the concepts of AI, that is machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, which are working background and behind the scene. And with these all these terminologies, there is another terminology which got associated, that is called as LLM, that is large language model. Large language model is associated with like 35 billion trillion parameters which is connected with the data. And the data, from where the data is all the public data which you and me all have given to the internet. That data has been used to train the AI machines and AI applications to generate it and to predict it and to give the decisions based on our requirements. So that's how we can understand now. That is, AI is a logic, not a magic. I hope you all agree with me. That's all about AI, which we have to understand. AI is a logic, it's not something a magic, what is happening altogether with any application behind the corner, and whatever we are seeing all being generated within some few seconds, and a stunning image will be shown up with the help of AI applications whenever you prompt it. Now we'll be coming through the types of AI. So this is also very important to note that what are the different types of AI, from where the AI started and from where AI is going in the future. So AI started in around 19 decades back by the Alan Turing test, that is 1940s, and beyond 1940s the AI terminologies started coming into the research, that is. And then we have got many different upgradations, and researchers have been working on these things. That is where the first one was named as narrow AI, and also known as weak AI, which is designed to perform on a specific well-defined task, such as playing chess. I hope you all have been experienced with the computer games, driving a racing car games, chess, and there are playing cards and all many other games which are been used from long time. When the computers came into the market, there were games also associated, and game was played by the computer, not by a human. As a partner with you, a computer was being partnered to play the game, that is comes under the narrow AI. So this is all about the narrow AI. And then we have the next one is general AI, which is the present. So the general AI was also known as broad AI earlier, but now this is again renamed as artificial general intelligence, which is also known as the strong AI. The strong AI which we are experiencing now in today's world, which with a wonderful intellectual task which can be done, which is capable to generate on your request, on your requirements. That's all about the general AI which we are seeing and experiencing with the help of ChatGPT, Gemini, Nano Banana, and a lot more applications which I can name that. Then the super AI, the future, what's coming in the as also called as physical AI, which is termed by Nvidia CEO, and the future which will be the achievement of, apart from the general AI, which will be more challenging and which will be more significant for the community, where you will be deploying all the machines will be deployed with the AI chips, so that it can understand your requirements, it can understand based on your own what exactly you need it for after 1 hour. For example, the future AI may work with the agents, those agents which will be working with the physical devices for the home automation, for many other examples on many different industries can get into this integration of AI that will be seen in the future, which is not something very far but very near to us, which you can all can see in 2 to 3 5 years. In coming 5 years, you will be seeing the future AI, that is physical AI, which will be into your hands. As you all have not expected last 2 to 3 years back, this applications will be in your hand, which will be able to generate image, which will be duplicate your avatar, which will be duplicate your icons and all. Now the generative AI, which we have discussed about, the AI, that is how the generative foundation models are being helpful and being used with the help of the generative AI. Basically, before the generative AI, as the we have seen the core concepts of machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, which are able to understand our language, which are able to translate our language on the spot. And similarly, this has been upgraded with generative adversarial network, that is called as GAN. And this GAN has been updated with large language models. And these large language models have given up these applications, what we are using it in our mobile phones, on our laptops, and our workflows, and all lot more things are there. So this is all about generative AI. The biggest buzz of the week for the generative AI, as yes, if we are not into the practice, then we will be skipping what exactly happening in the AI world. There are a lot of updates are coming up every day in the AI world. So what are the things which has come up in this week? I'm going to share with you. Weekly users has reached to around 1 billion, that is 900 million users are using ChatGPT on a weekly basis. This is the data shared by OpenAI. So how amazing it that 900 million users on a weekly basis being using ChatGPT, and most of the users are not just for free, but most of the users are a pro and paid was users on ChatGPT. And they're not just using for something which is like to generate some text or something like that, but they are using for making their work more productive and more smarter. So they are working on smarter tools to get it more easier workflows. And the next update, which is and the buzz of the AI world, that is Google's Nano Banana 2, that claims number one at half the cost of many different companies which are into the world, which are helpful to generate the images and generate the many different things, which is helpful for the Nano Banana, which is claiming that half of the cost, which is a big update which has come up. And that's all about this Nano Banana, which is claiming that's number one for the image generation. The next update which has come up, which is Perplexity's 19 model that has came up with an AI agent, as the name itself a computer. Already, Perplexity was ruling the world and was breaking the things into the AI world with Comet browser, which has a lot of things which you will be learning when you join the course, and which you will be learning about all the things, workflows, and all, how to do those, how to use AI work automated using the Comet browser. Okay, the next co-worker gives a cloud agentic tool across the departments. Co-worker is an AI agent which has came up with another update from the cloud. It's also a company like ChatGPT. So these all are the updates which are not limited, but every minute there is a new update which is coming in into the AI world. That is the biggest buzz of this week. So I'm going to just show you a glimpse of Nano Banana with this image. So here you can see these are the different images which is given to the Nano Banana, or you can say Google Gemini with the single images. These are the different images, and then a prompt was given to generate an image, and you can see a wonderful image was generated. You can see the difference how the image was cleanly designed with the different animals on a farm, and this was a very accurately the image was designed. So this is the powerful tools which you can use it for your own workflow, for your own personal life. That's all you will be able to learn when you are enthusiastic about how AI tools are changing your life and people's life. As you all have been seen on Instagram, on Snapchat, on YouTube Shorts, people are shouting, people are just claiming the things like we can do this, we can do this, and they are coming up with a lot more videos, and they are generating their own passive income through their own social media profiles just by using AI. I hope you all have observed it and you have seen the difference after AI. The videos were into a different categories. Now with AI, the videos are into different category. Yes, time is required to get it done with all those things, but these things will help you to make the things more easier. That's all about the AI fun and the learning of AI, which will not just kill the creativity but will boost your creativity, which will enhance your creativity. Let's move on to the next topic, that is about the prompt engineering. Okay, so how many of you know about prompt engineering? Please type yes or no. Type yes or no about prompt engineering. Prompt engineering, yes, wonderful. No, yes, wonderful, wonderful, great, great, good answers. Little bit, okay. It's something which is coming into the world of AI chatbots, which we should know about it. Without prompt engineering, if you are using chat bots, AI chat applications, then you are not using effectively. Yes, here we go with this answers some of with yes and no. Prompt engineering is the process of crafting clear, specific prompts that guide AI language model to generate the sorry relevant and accurate responses. That's based on these prompts, your chatbots will be able to give you the responses accurately. That's all about the prompt engineering and the effective using of AI chatbots. And this prompt engineering works on many different frameworks. The basic framework is the RTF model, that is role, task, and the format. This RTF model will help you to give a AI chatbot a very clear understanding what exactly you need it. Now, you will be seeing about very in more clarity what is a how a prompt should be. Prompt should be based on a persona. Persona means a role which you should give to the AI chatbot whether what it need to act as. So identifying who you are in relation to the task, what exactly you want to act as, and then the aim. You have to clearly state your objective. What objectives you are stating to get your required results. That is what exactly you have to mention it very clearly. Then your target audience, whatever you are able to generate it through the AI chatbots, how on when you want to use it, with whom you want to use it, and with what type of audience you want to use it, whether the audience are students, whether the audience are speakers, whether the audience are managers, whatever the type of audience you specified. Based on that, your results will be given and the required results will be shared on the basis of your prompt. That's what exactly needed. And the theme, you have to give the theme very clearly what tone you want it, whether you want it on a professional and motivational or friendly chat, what tone you want it, what tone you want to get the reply from the AI chatbots, and then the structuring the output. This is also a very important thing. When you are prompting it, you have to structure whether the format should be in a paragraph, in the bullet points, in the infographics, in the form of image, on what type of output you are expecting it. That's all about the parts. You should remember about the parts: persona, aim, recipients, theme, and structure. These parts will help you to make your perfect prompt, which will help the chatbots to understand what you needed. Just by giving some random question, you have to frame your prompt in the help with the help of these parts and RTF model, so that chatbot will understand and will help you which will help you to get your required output what you are expecting it. So this is an example. Sorry. This is an example of an RTF model which can be called as a better input and better output. So you are an expert content creator on LinkedIn, which I'm mentioning the problem and giving a very clear statement with the objective what exactly I needed and how I need it and what motivational tone, what is the theme I have to use it, and then I want in this example. So this is all I have given in a clear prompt. The first prompt, if you give it, then the rest will be more easier for you to navigate your chat and to give and hold on your conversations on the AI chatbots. That's all exactly you should give it when you are first interacting with the first chat. The clear prompt should be mentioned. What you should be act as, you should be a student, you should be an expert teacher, you should be a manager, you should be a digital content creator, you should be so and so whatever based on your own requirement. So based on this, you can come up with your complete prompt, or else do the reverse engineering. You ask ChatGPT itself, give the some clarity what exactly you are facing or you are needing, what you needed. Just give something and ask ChatGPT to create a prompt, and ask questions before creating a prompt. So it will ask you the questions before framing a complete prompt, and that prompt will help you to get a good and unexpected results which you cannot expect it in real life. That's all about the AI chatbots, the power of AI chatbots, which can be helpful for you and for your in your personal lives and as well as in your work life also. So these are the prompting frameworks. I'm not going in deep, but I'm just going to show you a very quick glance about very basic frameworks. These are very basic. There are a lot of updates happening every day on the prompts. So zero shot prompting, one shot prompting, few shot prompting, and chain of thought prompting. I'm going to give a takeaway which you will can able to download it for free, a PDF file about the prompting guide at the last of the session. End of the session, you will be able to get a QR code. With the help of that QR code, you will be able to generate you will be able to download the prompting guide with the which will help you for your own work, and you can customize your prompts based on your requirements. So zero shot prompting, which has no examples, you can directly give a direct prompt with the rt of model, that is called as zero shot prompting. One shot prompting, you can include one example to show the chatbot how you are expecting an answer from that chatbots. Then few short prompting can include two or more examples that will be more clarity with more specific things what you are expecting with from the AI chatbots. Then chain of thought prompting. So AI can, you are forcing AI to give you a step by step procedure which will help you to understand the step by step levels of your output when you get it from the AI chatbot. These are the prompt frameworks which will help you to prompt it with the AI chatbots. Moving forward, now people are started using contextual engineering, which is something beyond prompt engineering. Where we are going to use this contextual engineering used for making the AI agents. So in the contextual engineering with the rt of model, you will be adding and trying to make the AI chatbot understand the context also, on what context the output should be. And then you will be defining the role, setting the task with a clear checklist on the complete expected outcomes. As whatever the examples you want, you can include it, whatever the documents you want, you can include it. All those things you will be providing to the chatbots or the AI agents, so that AI agents will be getting trained to give you the expected outcomes. Then adding the constraints, this is also something which is added with the contextual engineering. Then providing very clear examples, so this is something which can be another part of the prompt engineering, advanced level of prompt engineering, that is called as contextual engineering. And then there are many different type of promptings also available, that is called as JSON prompting, a simple prompting what we are doing it in general. But there is a JSON prompting which will give you another level of output with the help of AI chatbots. This is all coming in, and which will be, you will be learning with a long term way of vision and your clarity which you have it to learn about AI tools. So now let's dive into practicals with all the different AI tools, where I'm going to share you few tools which will help you to make your work easier. So, and these AI assistants, research assistants, will be in your team who can work with you 24 by 7. So, if you start using these AI assistants, which will be helping you to work with you 24 by 7, that's all I can say. So let's move on, dive into these AI chatbots and the interface of these AI chatbots. Before I go ahead with this one, I'd like to know from you that from the chat GPT and Perplexity, how many of you know about chat GPT Go in India? Chat GPT Go. Or how many, I can ask you that, how many of you subscribe to ChatGPT Go? The offer is finished. I hope that was just been there with the January. I think it is finished already now. How many of you have subscribed to ChatGPT Go? No. No. Still, if you have not subscribed, you have missed the chance. So ChatGPT Go is was an app, a very wonderful opportunity for Indians to get it done and get it subscribed as a paid version. So it's not exactly the paid version, but for 1 year, this ChatGPT Go was being used as given to us for the Indians as with the paid options. Free subscription was for completely free. If you have not subscribed it, even if you want, you can check it, but I hope that option is not available now. Already the option has been disabled with the chat gpt go. The offer was till January 2026, but it's already now we are entering into March. Now there is Gemini, Brook, Perplexity, Cloud, and there are a lot more applications what are called as AI chatbots. So these AI chatbots, I'm just going to show you some glimpses, okay, of these AI chatbots. So give me the answer that how many of you know about GPTs in ChatGPT? One answer only, not known, sir. Okay, no, no issues. Any more answers? Any more answers? No answers? Yes. Basically, ChatGPT has many different features with just not just the chat, but you have a lot of features which are hidden. So these hidden features will help you to give the things which you like it, and you can expect an outstanding results with these options. So here you can see thinking, deep research, shopping research. Even you can connect Amazon. You can connect your e-commerce websites with the chat gpt and help you to compare the prices, compare the best and lowest prices if you want to sort it out. So that's all you can do it, not on one website, but you can compare on multiple websites. So that's something what we call it as a shopping research. And then we have more options. These more options will help you to go on with study and learn. That is a companion for you as a group study companion. Canvas, Canva, Coursera, and lot more. You can add it as an applications. So this is all those things you can do it with the chat gpt. And now it started with 3.5, but now we are using 5.2 applications as a flagship model with the chat gpt. Then we have gone an update with codex. Codex is also another update. We have then images, searching chats, and all other things we have. Then I was talking about the GPTs. So these GPTs will be specifically designed which will doesn't require your prompt, which has already trained on a prompt which will help you to design and directly get it done with you. That's all about the GPTs I can say. So for example, you can say here by chat gpt, like DALE E, we have creating creative writing coach, we have coloring book hero, we have. And then if you are coming to the writing, we have the category of productivity presentation, AI video generator, video in video. All those things are available there. So these are the different examples which you can directly use it without help of a prompt. Just give your task to be needed, you the task will be generated and will be outcomed from these gpts without your prompts. This is something which you have to know about the gpts in the chat gpt. One of the best apps or one of the best option which you can use it with a specific designed GPT, not on a general basis. The difference of the general chat, which connects to the global data, but GPT connects to the specific designed prompt which you needed based on your own requirement. That is the difference between GPT and a general new chat if you are starting it. If you are starting a chat, you have to clarify, specify your targets, your target audience, and then you have to specify a lot more things in the prompt. You should give all the details in the prompt, but with using the gpts you will be able to directly start using it, and you will be able to get it done very easily. This is the examples of the features what we have it on gpts. And then you will be able to find out the many more things on the personalization icon in your account. You can personalize your chatbot based on your own requirement, and you can say that how the it should respond in. It should respond in a friendly way, it should respond in a professional way, how the chat gpt, your own chat gpt can respond it. If you have a chat gpt go option, then you can create your own gpt as well, customized gpt. Here you can see I have created my own gpt, which is there already available with me, cross curricular lesson planner. This is the gpt which I have created and which is available for free for everyone. So this is an interface and the features of ChatGPT. Then we'll move on to the Perplexity. Perplexity has also a lot of features which will help you to customize it, which will help you to go with many different models. So the difference of the ChatGPT to other models is you will be able to select many different models in the Perplexity. This is something amazing application which you can use it for the research. Like you can see here on the screen, Sona, Gemini Flash 3, then you all those things are available, but this is for the paid users. And then there is another thing which I want to share you. I hope you all have seen the advertisement with Airtel. Airtel was giving you for free for 1 year Perplexity Pro version, which will be available for few, for all of you, all of the Airtel users. If you are Airtel user, then you can use the Air Perplexity Pro version for 1 year. That's all about Perplexity. And there are many other things which are there as featured in Perplexity, that's called as spaces. These spaces also act as GPTs in the chat GPT what I have shown you. And moreover, there are few spaces available as an example, but here you can make your own space as well, that is for free without pro version. Also you can do that. Just click on a new space and then add your files, where you will be able to interact with your own files, add your prompt, and that prompt will act as a cv writer, generative ai image, ai research assistant, and researcher. There are my assistants are available. Whenever I need it, I'll just come to this one, I give the prompt and I use that. That's all the features are available on Perplexity. Then we have another chatbot, that's something more amazing, which is a supercharger. This you can see this is something, a new update came in with the cloud AI. Supercharge your spreadsheets with cloud in Excel. So if you connected your Excel sheet with the cloud AI, then you will be able to directly interact with your data. And the data will not only show you the numbers, but that will give you a visualized updates, and visualizations will be can be done through very easily like Power BI, like Tableau dashboards and all. Then cloud also has features which can be compared with many different chatbots and many different engines like Sonnet, Opus, Haiku. These are the different versions of the cloud. Those all of the models you can also use it whenever you want it, but few models are available for the up on upgraded version. And then here you can see write, learn, code, live stuff, cloud choice. If you want, you can choose that. And then moreover, if you click on plus, there are many other options are available here. You can see the using the style, formal, explanatory, concise learning. And then you can add the connectors, you can add it to the project, you can have your own project on this one. And moreover, something there here as a coding, for coding is also wonderful application for the cloud. And there is something artifacts which is available, as you can play a game, you can learn coding lively with the live simulator. All those things you can do it on for free, which you will be able to enjoy it on the artifacts on the cloud. I hope you all are enjoying now. Please type yes or no. These are things amazing which you are knowing now. Please type yes or no. Please type yes or no. if you are seeing something amazing. Yes, 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 yes. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Great, great. Right, wonderful. Yes. Exactly. This participation of you will encourage me to show you something and more of options which you have it. These all options are most of us are not known to most of the people. So these options, if you start using it, then you will be able to master in AI applications. And then we'll move on to the next one that is called as a powerful Gemini tool, which you have in your hands on your mobile devices. That's all available on your Android devices as a Google Assistant. Now, Google Assistant has turned into Gemini. As you all can see, Siri has updated with ChatGPT. All the Android devices are updated with Gemini as a Google Assistant. And with the help of this Google Assistant, you will not be able to just chat, but you will be able to create image on a powerful like powerful tool. Like for example, I'll just add some images. Let's just try what will happen there. We'll add the image, upload the files. So we'll upload three images and we'll select create image, create a stunning image. I'm just giving a very simple prompt. So let's see what will happen with the help of these three images, what it will create it. Let's see the magic. So meanwhile, I'm going to show you something, another application which is called as Notebook LM. So Notebook LM is the tool want to analyze the scanned PDF files, or you want to make your own custom GPT, or you want to interact with your own files, then there is a tool which will help you to do that. That is called as Notebook LM. So this Notebook LM, which is a powerful tool, which will not only help you to analyze your PDF files, but which will help you to go with an audio overview, video overview, mind maps, reports, quiz, flashcards, infographics, slide deck, and data tables. A lot more things you can do it with the help of these studio available in the Notebook LM. How many of you know about this? Please type yes or no. How many of you know about these studios on Notebook LM? Please type yes or no. No. Yes, no. So here you can see there is an amazing image generated in a forest, image generated in the forest, which I just gave the three pictures. With the help of these three pictures, and stunning image is generated in a deep forest where three animals are shown up. So this is the power of Nano Banana, which is been there with you from long time, but you're not using it, I hope. If you are using also, maybe you are using on a very limited spaces. So this is something which you should know about these tools, how to use it, where to use it, how effectively you have to use it. That's all you should know about it. That's very important. If you don't know about these tools, then you are wasting your time and lot more traditional things and traditional workflows. Now, time to change your traditional workflows into the smarter workflows which are there with you as assistants, your own assistants, which you have it on your own devices. But if you know, then you will be able to use it, right? That's why this AI literacy, what we are conducting, that's as a masterclass, that's something to literate you people on the AI applications and AI tools, which is need of an hour. Now, if you don't learn it, then your kids who are coming up as their own way, and they will learn their own way, and they will be doing their own way. They will not have any guardianship, they will not have any ethics to use that, and they don't have something, a coordination to how to use it. So that's all about these things. For example, here there are a few featured notebooks. I want to show you parenting advice for the digital age. Let's see what are the different things we have it here. So on parenting advice, there are many different things are already generated. So you can see these are the resources which has been attached over there. These resources, you can remove it and you can attach it. If you want to create your own notebook, you will be having an option to create your own notebook with your own like PDF files or your own resources, which will be in your control, not on a global databases. So here you can see a brief as a deck has been given to this based on the resources which is available here, that is called as a slide deck. And then you can see here there are notes generated and there is a podcast generated.
You know, that constant hum,
You
the
will be able to
questions, the
download also.
worries, maybe sometimes, yeah, even outright panic about parenting in this super digital world.
Oh, yeah. I think we all feel that.
It feels like every day there's a new headline, right? Another worry about kids and screens.
Absolutely. And it changes so fast. It's tough for parents to know what's reliable info versus just, opinions flying around.
Exactly. So today we're doing a deep dive. We're going into some really insightful research-backed stuff on
So here
parenting in the
you
digital
will
age.
not just able
We're
to
pulling directly from Professor
listen
Jeffrey.
it, but you will be able to interact with it. And then you can see here FAQs has also generated. These FAQs also you can use it. And then there is a mind map which is generated based on the resources. So this is the mind map. You have it already, the complete mind map with the parenting concepts and advice. And then you will be able to have many different links. And then if you just click on it, then you will be able to get more detailed on what you have clicked. That's something, the powerful tool which I'm showing you today, which will be helpful for you to not only just chatting but making something more infographic. You can see here there is an infograph generated based on my data, just the data what I have given about one application, and with the numbers, with the charts, where it is going high, where it is going low, all those things have been highlighted, and these highlights are accurate numbers, not just a number given on an approximation, but these numbers I have verified and tallied with the data. These numbers are completely accurate. This is the power of notebook LM. Then there is a video, if you want you can just see. I'm going to show you the video also here. Video is also generated with the help of the data. This data is only what I have attached. If I want, I can remove it and I can reattach it also. Or else, if you want, you can discover it through the Google also. Here you can see you can connect to your drive, you can connect to the web, and you have an option of deep research and fast research as well. These are the features are available on Notebook LM, which will help
Hey
you to
everyone,
dive
so
into
video
your
is
own data
everywhere in
to
our classrooms now, right?
tackle
Which is
it.
awesome. But it also brings up this one huge question that I think every teacher asks themselves. You know the feeling. You find that perfect video, you assign it for homework, you just kind of hope for the best. But let's be real. Are your students actually watching it? Are they getting it? Or are they just pressing play and, scrolling through their phone? It's a classic problem. And you know what? This is not a new problem at all. I love this quote from Dr. Jeff Lewis.
So this is the video which was generated with the help of Notebook LM with the basis on my own data. Sorry. So if you want to create a notebook, then you once you click on notebook, you will be having a window to create audio, video overviews from your websites, from the data. You have options to upload your own files, to upload the links, to connect to the drive, and even you can copy paste the data also. So if you upload your own files, that means you are chatting with your own data. Your own data. Again, I'm repeating, you are interacting with your own data. So you have 10 PDF files, you have 10 books to study. Just upload these 10 books and get the overview and start chatting with what exactly you needed. That's all about the Notebook LM, power of Notebook LM. So there are notebooks which I have created. You can see there what all the things I'm using it. Whenever need, I just open a Notebook LM, I attach my files, and I start interacting with the my own files. Not only just interacting on a chat, but you can interact on an infographic basis. You can generate whatever you want it, all the things you can generate it based on these studio available on your Notebook LM. This is the power of Notebook LM, which you can create your own customized chatbot. This is something which I was talking about, your own customized chatbot. This is your own chatbot which will help you to interact with your own data. Now coming to the poster designs, images, and lot more things. Microsoft Designer is wonderful application which is will help you to not only just design it, but you can see here graphics. These are the different applications which you can create it. You can create avatars, backgrounds, clip art, emojis, images, and all. But very helpful thing and very handy from this one is, if you want to create an image, you can see, if I just hover on an image, then you will be able to see a complete prompt is available here. A desert scene with the cactus, clay pots, with the bright colorful palette in a style of Mexican mural art. Then you can see here a digital illustration of a transparent empty home, and then you can see here all these images are shown, and these images has a complete prompt. This prompt, you just click on edit and copy this prompt, and you can paste it wherever you want it. So these prompts you can use it and you can paste it here. There are a few prompts and used it, and I have created these images. And you can see the icons and coloring page. You can just use it for your kids if you want to make them busy from apart from the digital devices. Let them just work on it and just get it done with these prompts. Take the printouts and give it to them for coloring, or you can moreover you can use it for the tablets, for the digital colors on digital books, whatever you want you can do that. Let's just give one example with this thank you prompt. Okay, so I just clicked on thank you prompt. So the image which has already there, which will be coming up with the prompt. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this prompt. So I'll just edit the prompt, copy it. Let's see the difference with Nano Banana. I want to show you the difference with Nano Banana. So create image. I have just pasted it over here. The words thank you on a solid purple banner over a photorealistic macro view of mums and marigolds. There should be soft lighting from the skylight, adding few shadows of the scene. Let's see how the Nano Banana will generate this image, and let's see the quality of this image as it claims that's number one in the image generation. So here, this is the image which we have. This is the image we have it, right? So this is the image we have, and Nano Banana will help you to generate image. Okay, that's something wonderful. See here, it has taken the marigolds, thank you message, and something more that you will be able to see. There is a stick which is handling the cloth and with a thank you message. And here, if you see, this is something different, which is something in a like in you can say a photo frame. Thank you with marigolds. So this is the power of Nano Banana. A realistic image with a cloth hanging on a, you can say, air. It's a hanging and with a message of thank you. So the same prompt changes based on the applications. That's how the use of AI tools, which will be helpful for you to generate lot of things which you can do it for yourself, for your personal life, as well as for your work life also. So these things will help you to make your life easier. And then we'll be coming up with a presentation which the tools to create the posters which I have shown you. I hope you all have heard about Canva, ChatGPT, Sora, Nano Banana, which I have given example from the Microsoft Designer. You don't need to worry about the prompts. Go to the Microsoft Designer, take the prompts, edit your prompts in your own way, and then come to the any other applications. Best is the Nano Banana, which will help you to create realistic images. Now, very important tool for resume and interview hacks. So if you want to prepare for your resume, you want to tailor your resume as per ATS requirements, as per the job description requirements, and if you want to prepare for your interviews, there are tools available on ChatGPT as with the help of GPTs, resume GPT is available, interview preparation GPT is available, and there is another application which I'm going to share with you, that is Udly application. I'm going to share you this Udly application. What is this Udly application is? Udly application will help you to boost your communication skills. Even not more just boosting up, but there are few courses which will be helping you to able to communicate very clearly, and you can upload your speech, which will in return evaluate the speech and give you the complete report also. That will help you to have a role play, presentation preparation, or interview preparation, and lot more things you can do this. Not all the things are free, but you can use it and you can experience your own way. So if you start recording it, your recordings will be there and your practices will be there with the complete reports generated by AI analytics. And this will help you to prepare your interviews, which will help you to prepare your presentations, and lot more things you can get it done through these UT applications. When you are able to prepare for some presentations, then you can use this UT application. This will help you a lot for your preparations beyond something which you come into the real time. And then personalized chatbots, as I have already given few examples, as I have shown you the Perplexity Spaces, Comet Browser, and Gemini Gems. I want to show you Gemini Gems as well. This is something amazing thing which you can create on your own way, as I'm going to show you the gems. Here you can see here these are the different options available on Gemini applications. And not only this, but you can create your own applications for workflows. If you just know some little bit technical things, you will be able to do that. So here you can see gem made by labs, recipe genie, marketing, claim action explainer, learning with YouTube, and then a lot more things are available here. Storybook, chess champ, career guide. For example, if I click on storybook, a complete storybook will be able to in front of you as a comic book. So let's see if I have it one. And there is another thing, I have done it through the Nano Banana. I have uploaded my cover page of LinkedIn, and I said you the roast my LinkedIn profile, the screenshot and overlay this insane roast scribbling. So it has been roasted like this. How wonderfully created. So popular, then populist, this is popular, all those things are there. So it has been scribbled lot of things on my own image. And then fun picnic ideas, and then I video generation. Here I have given two just images, and based on that two images a wonderful video was generated. I just want to show you that as well. Here you can see. So here, I have just uploaded three images and asked it with the three scenes. A brave astronaut landing on a strange planet. Astronaut discovers a friendly glowing alien, and astronaut and alien waving goodbye as a spaceship flies away. So these are the things which we can use it. That's all about the effective usage of the AI applications and AI tools. So if you know these things, you will be amazingly using this different images and all those things. You will be able to do that. And there are other chat has been already. I think it's as a temporary chat. It was deleted, and there are many other things which I have used it, and I use it on my own stuff every time whenever I do that. So here you can see these are the different things which I have started using. I've used this. So this is an example, but now I was showing you about the gems. So AI gems, this Gemini gems, you will be able to create your own gem. This is called as a new gem, and you will be able to attach your own files, and you will be able to interact with your own files as Notebook LM. But this is something more advanced. Here you will be able to attach your own database. You are going to give a complete prompt what your gem should do, like an assistant for you. You can make the task very clear. So this will help you to make your own chatbot. This is a customized chatbot on Gemini Gems. Then presentation generator, gamma.com is one of the very best tool for the presentation generator. We have many other. Notion is also one of the best tool for the project management, tracking the projects, tracking your work, and all other things. You have it. Then more or less we will be just introducing about what AI agents are. So what is the difference between AI agents and AI chatbots? AI chatbots will give you the will help you to work with your chat with the prompts, but AI chat agents which will completely automate your work, which will not ask you if you have came up with one time, then automatically will help you to do your task as an autonomy. Environment sensing, goal directed behavior, and adaptability, this all things which can be done with the help of AI agents. That's possible when you create your own AI agents. So just give me a second. Yes. Yeah. So let's go ahead. So this is about AI agents. Now we will be discussing about ethics of AI, how to use AI chatbots. Stop sharing everything with AI. This is something which you should know about it. Very importantly, you should know that you should not share everything with AI. What I mean everything? Everything means your personal data. This is something very important which you should not share with AI chatbots. Always it is recommended on internet. When you are sharing with internet also, you should think twice what you are sharing, how the things will be happening when you share it on the social media or on the internet on a public platform. So all these platforms are public, which is open. Whenever the data can be leaked, so remember that never tell a chatbot anything you didn't want plastered on a billboard. I hope it's very clear message, you can understand it. So, addressing AI limitations, unfair biasing, unreliable information, integrity, privacy, and security. These are the things which you should know when you are using the AI chatbots. What you are sharing on organizational basis, how you are sharing your personal data, all those things you should avoid it. How you should share it? You have to mask your personal data. You have to mask your confidential data, so that when you are sharing something, it can be something XYZ, it can be some John, something like that. Whatever the names you want, you can mask it or you can rename it. You can edit the documents and share it if you want to share it with the AI chatbots. Whether you are sharing with Notebook LM, whether you are sharing with Gemini Gems, whether you are creating your own GPTs, whenever you are sharing any personal data, remember that this personal data is very confidential. Maybe it confidential for you as your own, for your own data, or maybe it's confidential for your organization, so that you should be very careful when you are sharing with the any chatbots or any AI applications. That's very important to note it. Now, the World Economic Forum reports that by 2027, 83 million jobs will be declining, as such as administrative roles, bank tellers, customer support, and lot more jobs will be declining. So be careful and get ready with AI companion for yourself, that you should upskill, reskill, and get skill building in yourself, so that you should be able to compete not with only humans but competing with the machines. So the coming era is not just competing with the human beings but competing with the machines is something very important. You should prove your creativity in front of computers. You should prove your compassion. You should prove your curiosity, how you handle the pressure, how you handle the uh, deal with the real time world. That's very important to note it when you are coming up with the jobs. If you are fresher, this is something very important. 60 million, 69 million jobs will be emerging with AI roles, such as AI specialist, machine learning engineers, prompt engineers, and data analytics, intelligence analysis, and a lot more things which I am going to share with you. So, as I have promised, I'm going to give you a takeaway which is coming in on the way now. So, these are the AI revolutionary jobs which you can see. Few jobs are there, that is machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI product manager, AI ethics, and all these are the few jobs which has come up already. They are available on LinkedIn, on job profiles and job platforms, where you will be able to see there. Then, lastly but not least, AI won't replace humans, but humans with AI will replace humans without AI. This is something we should know. As you all have experienced, when the computers came, traditional database recorders, data recorders, the people who were working on traditional basis, they were replaced with the computers and with the knowledge people who were working with the computers. I hope we all have seen this era. The same thing is going to be repeated again in coming days. The people with AI will be replaced people without AI. So the time to upskill, time to reskill, time to gain the skills which are the highlighted and spotlighted with AI machines and AI skills, which we should know it. Now, time to have a takeaway. The art of prompting guide. You can scan the QR code and download for free a complete prompting guide, which is available for you for this attending the masterclass. I'm going to give you a 1 minute to scan this and download the free prompting guide from the website which is available and prompting on your screens. Once done, please type yes or no. If you have downloaded, please type yes. It will just prompt it for the Gumroad, and then it will ask you to uh, input your email for subscribing it, and then you will be able to download it for free with $0. You have to put the value that is zero, which is for free. Anyhow, this QR code will be shared on the group also, so you will be able to download it, the takeaway. So now, these are the few daily tasks with AI tools. These are the websites available, and the links are available. These links also will be shared with you in the group as well. And then AI exploration begins. So start typing on the chatbot that how many of you have explored the tools which has been showed today. Type the tools which you have seen today itself. Type the tools which you have seen today only, and you will be start using it. Cloud, Notebook LM, wonderful. Everyone, I need all the responses, 46 responses. I need responses from everyone. I need response from everyone. Perplexity, Gemini, wonderful, wonderful. Nice, very nice. Very nice. All 47 people, I want response from everyone. Perplexity, Gamma. Okay, perfect. Chat GPT. Okay. Now the time to explore all these tools in practical. So we are launching a 3-month extensive and intensive AI and prompt engineering course, which is 72 hours course, which will be span of 3 months on your own flexibility. That's where you will be learning about fundamentals of generative AI, prompt engineering, which you have seen today, the basics to advanced prompts. Then you will be learning how the Python and data science is working with the AI, then machine learning and NLP concepts, you will be learning about it. And then you will be learning moreover many different AI tools, automation and AI agents. And then you will be doing the capstone project with the career guidance, how you can make your career on AI and AI roles, which I have shown it. And then you will be getting on successful completion of certificate from as an internship, as well as you will be getting a complete AI certification as well from Sitter Academy from Norway, which will be accrediting your course when you are done with the capstone project. So if you are interested, you can register for free. And now today there is an offer. You will be able to register it, and you will be able to get that for 4,500 only. And because this is for the masterclass, you have an offer, so you will be able to get it done. So please register for the course. Admin and host, please give the links so that people can register onto the course if they are interested now. So we are going to give you a few minutes where you will be able to get it registered, and the registration will be given you. And you, meanwhile, we can have a question answer session also. Yes, if you have any questions, please post your questions and you can unmute and share the feedback as well. If you want to register now and today, there is an offer which is for 4,500 itself. So as I said, the course will have an extensive way of learning AI tools, which will be helping you to master your AI skills. So I'm going to share the message. Admins can share the message also. The registration link is there. Yes, the registration link is there. Actual cost is a lot, but we have discounted rate today for the masterclass viewers and who all the flocks who have joined with us on today's masterclass. They can register for undiscounted price that is 4,500 rupees, just for 4,500 rupees. I hope you have seen many master classes and there are many different courses which are giving in lakhs, but we are not looting the people on very simple things, but we are just offering this course on 72 hours 3-month online certification course which will help you to gain the AI skills and master the AI skills. So these are the links which is given there. If you want, you can register for quick on a quick basis and contact admin so that they will be helping you for the registration process. Yes, if you have any questions, please post it. And if you have any feedback, you can open your mic also and you can speak up. So this is your AI journey started with many different ideas which came in now with AI tools. I hope it was helpful and you will be able to use it in your daily life. Khatija and Zareen, please go ahead
So,
for the things.
yes, participants, do you have any questions or any queries? We'll be sharing all the details and all the links on the group as well. All right. Thank you so much, sir, for your insightful and engaging session. Thank you, all the participants, for your active participation. All the details, all the links will be shared with you on the WhatsApp. Everyone, have a great evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Khatija. Thank you, Mateen sir. Thank you, all participants.
Thank you, all the participants, for joining me today with good enthusiasm, and all the participants who have been participating with me. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for joining with us today. Thank you, everyone. Have a great evening. Thank you. Thank you.
You can end the meeting, Mateen sir.
Okay.